You are going to love the 2020 RX. The Lexus RX offers a spacious interior with an extremely high level of quality. The RX is the perfect fit for those looking for fuel efficiency, a wide variety of safety and technology features, and that luxury feel. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, privacy glass, fog lamps. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.